We will be seeing the indirect speech, call it as the direct and indirect speech, conversions from the direct speech to indirect speech. It is also called as the reported speech. It is a very important topic that many viewers and teachers and students have asked me when the direct and indirect speech topic will be dealt with. So, this is also in the syllabus of the middle class as well as in the 9th and 10th board examination also this syllabus is there. So, I think that since the board examinations are fast approaching, it would be useful for the students to have a revision of this. So, let us see the basics of reported speech today. We can use the term reported speech as well as the indirect speech. So, let us see certain basic rules of the reported speech. You see, when do we use reported speech? That is, when we tell people what somebody said in the past. Somebody said something to us in the past. My friend told me something in the past. When he is telling me, he will be telling in direct speech. Maybe he said to me, I like you. So, it is in the direct speech. But when I report what he said to someone else, then it becomes an indirect speech. He told me that I like you. When I tell this to somebody else, I will say that my friend told me that he liked me. So, that becomes the reported speech or indirect speech. So, when we tell people what somebody said in the past and there is a time difference, because he told me last Friday and now I am reporting that on the next week Wednesday. I reported it on Wednesday. That means there is a gap of that. There is a past thing I am reporting. See, what are the techniques of conversion and what are the rules we follow in the reported speech or in indirect speech. See here, all these sentences what I have written, these 8 sentences this side, they are direct speech said on Friday. On Friday, all these statements have been spoken. Then I am reporting it to somebody on Sunday. So, after Saturday, Friday he said, Saturday, Sunday I am reporting to somebody. So, that Friday is a past time considered to Sunday. So, what is said on Friday in direct speech becomes a past event in indirect speech. So, what rules we adopt, I will tell you. The children are in Canada. This is present tense, simple present tense. So, am or is will become was or were. Simple present tense will become simple past in indirect speech. Simple present tense will become simple past in the reported speech. See here, the children are in Canada. Kiran said that her children were, past tense, or is present tense, it becomes were. Kiran said her children were in Canada. My TV isn't working. This is again a simple present tense. Is will become was. He said his TV wasn't working. So, isn't working present tense will become wasn't working, which is the past tense. So, simple present tense will become simple past. Now, this is present perfect now. Have and has will become had. Have and has will become had. I have a meeting at 5 p.m. See, she said she had a meeting at 5 p.m. So, have becomes had. Simple present perfect becomes a past perfect. She said she had a meeting at 5 p.m. Sally has passed her exam. Again, has becomes had. He said Sally had passed her exam. Again, present perfect becomes a past perfect. I repeat, simple present tense becomes simple past, present perfect becomes past perfect. Then again one more, the train leaves at 4 o'clock, leaves at 4, leaves, simple present tense, it will become simple past. She said the train left at 4. See, leave becomes left, which is the past tense. We all speak Hindi. Again, speak is simple present tense. This simple present tense will become simple past. She said they all spoke Hindi. So, simple present tense becomes simple past, present perfect becomes past perfect. Now, let us see past tense, simple past. I forgot my bag, past tense, simple past. Simple past will become past perfect. So, forgot will become had forgotten. See, forgot will become had forgotten. That means I forgot my bag, somebody said. He said he had forgotten his bag. So, present perfect, simple past will become past perfect. He broke the glass. Broke is the simple past. Simple past will become past perfect. She said he had broken the glass. See, past perfect. He had broken the glass. So, remember, simple present will become simple past. Simple past will become past perfect. And present perfect also will become past perfect. In the similar fashion, present continuous will become past continuous. Is working will become was working, and past continuous will become past perfect continuous. Was working, had been working. Then, when it comes to modal auxiliaries, can will become could, will become would, shall will become should, may will become might, must, ought to, needn't. These all will not have any change. Should will be should, would will be would only, might will be might only, must will not change, ought to will not change, and needn't also wouldn't change. So, that we will have to remember this only main. This is point 1, the tense change in the indirect speech. Second thing we have to focus is the pronouns. The pronouns. See here, the children are in Canada. She said her children were in Canada. See, his TV, my TV wasn't working. My TV. So, my, the pronoun becomes his. I have a meeting. She had a meeting. I becomes she in reporting. Sally has passed her exam. Had passed her exam. Then we all speak Hindi. We becomes they all speak Hindi. I forgot my bag. I becomes he, my becomes his. See here. So, pronoun change also we have to see. There are 3 changes we have to focus our attention on. One is tense change, second is change in pronoun, third is time markers, how the time markers change. So, we will see today all the 3 aspects. I have simply introduced to you how the tense change takes place. Now, I will be telling you how the pronouns will be changing and how the time markers will be changing. Then, where there will be clear understanding. After that, we will go, there are some 2-3 types of sentences we have to see, that is how the imperative sentences change, command sentences change, then how interrogative sentences change and how statements change. So, that 4 videos we will have. Now, we will see the next aspect, that is how the pronouns will change and how the time markers will change. Now, we will see the pronoun change. See, it is this is a direct speech statement. She likes me. He knew she liked him. Me becomes him. This is a pronoun, it becomes him. I speak German. He said, he spoke German. I becomes he here. I am sorry, she said. She said she was sorry. I am reporting. You see here this also. Likes become liked. Speak becomes spoke. Am becomes was. I am tired becomes was tired. We are leaving. They said we becomes they. We are leaving. They said they were leaving. I have lost my coat. Past tense. Lost is simple past tense. See, as I said earlier, simple past becomes past perfect. And see the pronoun change. I have lost my coat. I is one pronoun here. My is another pronoun here. So, I becomes he. He said he had lost. My becomes his coat. He said he had lost his coat. So, this is the second aspect you have to remember. One is tense change. Here also we can see simple present, simple past. Simple present, simple past. Simple present, simple past. Simple present again, past. Present continuous. Past continuous. Past tense, simple past tense, past perfect. This is you have to remember point 1. Second point, pronoun change, pronouns change. Now, let us see how the time markers change. Now, let us see the time markers. Now, will change into then. This will become that. Tomorrow will become the next day. Yesterday will become the day before. Today will become that day. Tonight will become that night. Last week will become the week before. Next week will become the next week only. So, just observe this and keep in mind. Now, see the example. I am not happy here. Now, we will see all the 3 changes. I am not, am present tense becomes was, tense change. I pronoun becomes she, here becomes there. So, 3 things I said: tense change, pronoun change, time marker change. So, I am not happy here, she was not happy there. I hate this place, she hated that place, this becomes that. I left home last week, I left home, see simple past becomes past perfect, and I left home last week becomes I left home the week before, last week becomes the week before. Are you leaving today? Present continuous. Sorry. Are you leaving today? Present or leaving, past continuous, was leaving. Are you leaving today? Today becomes that day. I will phone you tomorrow. Will becomes would. I will phone you tomorrow. Tomorrow becomes the next day. See, where will you be tonight? Will becomes would. Where will you be tonight? Where I would be that night. Tonight will become that night. So, these are 3 things mainly we have to keep in mind when we are converting sentences from direct speech to indirect speech. There are so many other nuances and important aspects that we have to cover. We will have to see separately how imperatives change, how interrogatives change, how statements change, and how modal auxiliaries change. So, keep in mind this one. Now becomes then, this, that, tomorrow, the next day, yesterday, the day before, today, that day, tonight, that night, last week, the week before, next week, the next week. So, note down in your diaries and keep in mind these 3 things. Tense change, again I tell you, simple present becomes simple past becomes past perfect. present continuous becomes past continuous, past continuous becomes past perfect continuous, present perfect becomes past perfect, past perfect does not change, can becomes could, will becomes would, may becomes might, and should will not have any change, must no change, ought to no change. So, have to, had to, these are the way you have to remember, and we will see in the next video details about how the statements change into indirect speech, and then imperatives also we will take. Thank you.